Welcome to Hyphenate. Let's create a winning proposal faster. I'm going to start by giving my opportunity a title and let Hyphenate know if this is a proposal or a response to an RFP. Hyphenate will launch me into the document drafting area where I'm first going to tell it a bit about this project, starting with associating the opportunity with the client. With Hyphenate, you're not training a model and all your data stays in your own instance, so we make sure to not cross wires on competitive clients you may have, so it's important we identify the client name first. Next, I'm going to add context docs. This is everything that is unique about this project that can inform Hyphenate what I'm trying to accomplish with my proposal. In my case, you can see I'm going to add a few things. I've got a customer information document that discusses our history with ABC Company. I've got a transcript of a discovery call we had with the team over at ABC, and some notes from an internal strategy session the Hyphenate team had, discussing how we'd want to tackle this proposal. The AI takes just a few minutes to process this, and we're ready to go to the next step, which is determining the underlying needs this proposal must address. Hyphenate will now consider all my context docs and determine what we're trying to accomplish with this proposal. What type of solution is the customer looking for? What type of solution are we presenting? It's going to consider all those things and return to you an underlying need statement. Now, as a user, I understand that if this underlying need statement is incorrect, my proposal is going to go in strange directions, so I'm required to review it, consider the sources listed, and make any changes that I need prior to generating a draft. Once I have it where I want it, I'm ready to generate a first draft of my proposal. Now, here's where the magic happens. Hyphenate's document library connects to the places you store past proposals. That can be your OneDrive, SharePoint site, Google Drive, or you can maintain a document library directly in Hyphenate. By capturing your underlying need, Hyphenate is searching through your past work to determine both the style in which you write this proposal, as well as the content that is presented in similar proposals in the past. It's considering your tone of voice, your company story, and delivering this first draft that drops the user in as an editor, about 80% of the way to a client-facing document in just minutes. From there, I can collaborate with Hyphenate to take it the rest of the way. Let's say, for example, the call to action at the end of this proposal isn't as strong as I'd like it. We've spent a long time with this opportunity, and I'm wanting to prompt a quick decision by the customer. I can let Hyphenate know to alter that section, and in just a few seconds, Hyphenate has rewritten the content to meet my objective. I can then review and save those changes. In this next example, perhaps I left out a key point in my context documents that I, as the human, know from past experience with similar clients will drive some urgency to close this deal. I'm going to let Hyphenate know to pick up my customer's competitive drive to create a more compelling proposal. In seconds, Hyphenate incorporates that messaging into the proposal, keeping you as the human in the driver's seat of the solutions you present to your client. Now, as you use Hyphenate, it's collecting all of this unstructured data that when we merge it with the structured data in your CRM like win rates, can unlock the perfect insights you need to craft your best solutions. Want to minimize risk? We've got a solution for that. Want to maximize margin? We can do that as well. I've now got this proposal where I want it, so I can export it as a Word document or convert to a PowerPoint and be ready to deliver it to a client all in under an hour.